Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the E3 error code on your Haier washing machine from the 2025 models, you're in the right place. This error typically signals a problem with the drainage system, like a clogged filter or a blocked hose, which can often be fixed at home without calling a professional. Don't worry. I'll guide you through the process step by step, and we'll have your machine running smoothly in no time. First and foremost, safety is key. Always unplug your washing machine before starting any repairs to avoid electrical hazards. Now, let's jump into the fixes. Step 1. Check the drain hose. Locate the hose at the back of the machine and ensure it's not kinked, twisted, or blocked. Straighten it out if needed and make sure it's securely connected to the drain. If it's clogged, clear any debris you find. Step 2. Clean the filter. Most Haier models have a filter accessible from the front or bottom panel. Remove the cover, take out the filter, and rinse it under warm water to remove lint, coins, or other buildup. Dry it thoroughly before putting it back in place. Step 3. Inspect for other blockages. If the error persists, check the drain pump area for any obstructions. Use a flashlight to look inside and gently remove anything you see, but be careful not to damage the components. Once you've completed these steps, plug your machine back in and run a short test cycle, like a rinse and spin, to see if the E3 code has disappeared. If it hasn't, try resetting the machine by unplugging it for about 5 minutes, then plugging it back in and turning it on. In most cases, this should resolve the issue. However, if the error keeps appearing, it might indicate a deeper problem, such as a faulty sensor or pump, so contact Haier customer support or a certified technician. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial saved you some hassle. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more handy fixes, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.